Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing? Happy Thursday. So, I did this little set really fast last night because I got an idea of doing a little lemon set. Oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. It's a little simple. I hope one of my clients lets me recreate this on some longer nails because I thought it was super cute. So right here, I'm just going to swatch some colors because I wasn't sure exactly what I was going for. I knew I wanted some little limes, lemons, whatever they're called. Actually, they're lemons. The limes are the green ones, but I call them fucking limes. So right here, I have like 4 different colors and definitely wanted to use the glow yellow because I feel like yellow is one of my favorite colors in the summertime. For those of you guys who didn't know, girlfriend, yellow was my favorite color before I started to wear pink like a few years ago. So this one is the glow yellow from my website, and I'm gonna show you guys towards the end how beautiful it glows. Right now I am at my regular speed. It was not sped up because I do want you guys to see real time. And I'm using my smooth set monomer with my number 12 Kolinsky crystal handle brush. As you can see, the product does not run as long as you have the right amount of monomer. Like if you have a big brush, it just holds a lot more monomer, making it more runny, like your product, period. But the good thing about the smooth set monomer is that it just gives you time. It doesn't dry fast, but it gives you more than enough time for you to like mold it into shape, whatever it is that, whatever shape you're doing. So right here you can see that it's not dry yet because I'm still trying to push the acrylic into place and make it as perfect as possible. So that way when I go back to file, I don't really have to do too much filing. So the nail tips that I'm using, they're just the full well coffin. I just literally insert them to the hand, and that's exactly what I'm working on. I kind of felt lazy to do the whole procedure, the whole thing at a tip and all of that. And because I don't really do short nails, I decided to just work on that, and they came out super cute. So I feel like this is already taking a good minute, but a acrylic application is satisfying, at least to me. And if you're new and you just can't get that cuticle bead, make sure to point the finger down and just let it flow. Let it flow. With practice, you will get better because trust me, this did not happen from one day to another. And I'm not gonna lie, I do mess up on my clients sometimes. Like when they don't sit still or they're sitting wrong or whatever. So the middle finger, I didn't have an idea as to how I was gonna place my lemons. So I started off with like a diagonal neon, and then I'm using my little nail clipper to cut my little lemons in half because the nail wasn't that big, so I needed smaller pieces. And I went ahead with the color Ice Me Out to try to use it as clear acrylic and give it a little glitter background. I thought it came out so cute. I decided to choose this color because it kind of would resemble some ice cubes. Supposedly, según yo, those are the hielitos in the agüita. So I didn't know what I was gonna do to the middle finger, so I skipped it because I was like, should I make it into an ombre? Should I just fill it up? Or do I put nude diagonal? I have no idea. So then I'm like, okay, girl, I'll work on the pinky meanwhile. And all of this actually flows through my brain when I'm working on a client. So don't overthink it. Sometimes just move on to the next finger because most of the time, if you force it, your creativity, like you overthink, you're going to create something that's not cute. And we don't want that. So just move on to another finger that you do know what you're gonna do like the pinky, I knew it was gonna be yellow. And then I went back and then I had an idea of what to do. So girl, look at that thin little application. So I'm gonna be using the Cover Pink Nude. I finally found one. And when I was doing my nails, I was looking for it like crazy, but I guess I had already used it up. I decided to do a little diagonal application, and then later on I cover it with more glitter. Okay, that's just the way it goes. Glitter and glitter and glitter. You know, you can never go wrong with glitter. Fucking Reina. Sorry guys, my sister is trying to call me, so I need to hurry up with this little voiceover because this girl's gonna keep calling and calling. So this little glitter is also very beautiful. It's new. It's called Sunlight. My sister actually chose the color name, and along with two other ones, she chose the colors. So those are her little collab, I guess. And then I'm just placing the little limoncitos on the acrylic while it's still wet. And then this right finger, I mean the ring finger, I decided to do it different because I knew that I was going to do the same thing, and I just made my life harder with the middle finger by adding so much acrylic so it's a little lumpier. I went ahead and just did the wannabe ombre. It's not perfect because I know it's gonna get covered anyway. Just to make it easier, this is what I would have done if I knew what the hell I was doing. I would have done the wannabe ombre, put some glitter at the tip, put my little lemons, bam, bam, lemon here, lemon there, and then go in with some more glitter and encapsulate. And today I actually did show you guys how I encapsulate and file because some of my little followers, they want to see a little bit more of the process. So because this set is really short and simple, I was able to include it without making the video super long. And so I'm just going to leave you guys here with the rest of the video. We do add a little bit of bling, make it look cute and simple and, you know, summer vibes, refreshing. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my little channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.